Want to change font size on Facebook but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change font size on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. There is no direct feature on Facebook through which we can change the font size. So we need to change the overall font size of your device. First, open Settings on your device. Then tap on Display. Now click on the font size and style button. You can change the font size by sliding the dot towards the left or right side like this. And that's how you can change font size on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.